What up? In this video, I want to talk about the image editor and how you use it. So come right over here, click Edit Image, and then here you can do all the basics: draw, fill, erase, resize the canvas if you need to, pick a color, set the fill tolerance percent, change the brush size. With box select, you can select part of the model and then hit isolate, and it will crop away everything outside the box, and only what's in the box will remain and become a model. For drawing and stuff, like you can come in here, and I've already got a color picked. You can come in here and fill part of the model like that, and then fill all this part real quick. Yeah, I'll go around it too. There we go. And when I'm done, I can hit finish, and there we go. And reset the view really quick. Just like that, we have a pink-headed axe. Pink-headed fire axe. Ooh. And just like everything else, if you decide you don't like it, you can't just go back in here, but you can't to undo it, but you can just hit undo right there. There you go. It's undone. Hit redo. It's back. Just like that. Alright, well, I'll see you in the next one.